to my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai. And as for today, I'm going to share something which Malaysian always serve it as a breakfast or also for tea, and we call it roll pie. Roll pie. Actually, we have a name for Malay, that is Ropa. So for English, we call it roll pie. And should I share what are the ingredients which we need for this recipe? Flour, minced meat, big onions diced, potatoes, chopped garlic, kurma powder, curry powder, black pepper powder, eggs, salt, sugar, chicken powder, oil, water. Okay, first we need to prepare the fillings. So we need to heat up the oil. Okay, we stir fry the garlic. Till aromatic, and we can add in the minced meat. While waiting for the minced meat to cook, I'm going to mix the spices. If you wish to use chili paste also, you can. Okay, you stir fry until the minced meat is cooked. And I'm going to add in the powder, curry powder. Now we add in the diced onion. Stir fry until the onion is tender. Once the onion is soft, I'm going to add in the potatoes. I'm going to add in salt and a bit of sugar, and also my chicken powder. We fry until the potato is cooked. If you think that the potato is still hard, you can add in a bit of water. Okay, once the potato is cooked, I'm going to put aside to cool it before we start doing the roll pie. Okay, now I'm going to mix the water and the flour and the eggs. This is for the pancake. I like to use blender because it's very fast. And you also get the fine texture. You add some salt and also the egg. Okay, blend the batter here. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and we blend again. Pour the batter. Okay, we take about 1 liter. Just pour. To know whether it's done or not, normally the pancake will give way from the pan. Now you see that it doesn't stick anymore. You remove it to a plate. And you can continue doing the pancake further. But meanwhile, I'm going to show you how you're going to put the fillings and roll the roll pie. Okay, this is how we rolled it. It's about rectangle like this, and later we're going to fry it again. Okay, I'm going to fry this, but before this I'm going to break the eggs. Add a bit of salt. And lightly beaten the egg. Okay, now we dip our roll pie inside the egg. We rolled it. This is how our family do this roll pie, because some of them they don't even dip it inside the egg, but I would like to do it like this. We fried it until golden brown. So we just overturn it, see how? Okay, our roll pie is done. It's already golden brown, very nice. And I'm going to put it on a plate. My roll pie is ready. It's very yummy, it's very filling, and you can serve this with chili sauce. So for those who wish to try, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and press the bell button.